Hello Tailoring Talk magazine viewers. My latest video is an unboxing. I have the Hammerhead Karoo 3 here. Now, I'm a keen cyclist. I am currently training for a 100k cycle around the Isle of Wight. It's called the Isle of Wight Randonnée. And I cycle fairly regularly, mostly at weekends, or I do cycle to work as well. And I'm finding now with the distances I'm cycling, I'm pushing myself up to about 70 kilometres rides. I have been using my iPhone with an app called Beeline, which is very good actually. It's a free app that you can pay a subscription for extra bits. But the problem is not the app, the problem is my iPhone. All that GPS and 4G and 5G usage. For a 3 or 4 hour cycle, the iPhone just can't handle in terms of battery life. So I have committed to the Karoo after reading a few different reviews of different devices. I'm just going to unbox in this video, and then what I'm going to do is an extended test of the device. So if you are, fancy a break from driving around in your BMWs or whatever you drive, and do cycle, you might be interested in devices like this. And I'm going to unbox this and show what's inside, and then later on do a longer extended review. So here's the box of the Karoo. Inside it's got the actual device itself. There's a mounting system for your bike. There's an adapter that lets you change the rotation of it. There's the charge cable, and if all else fails, there's actually a lanyard you can use it with as well. You can see on the back of the box here the actual device itself and some instructions on setup. Because SRAM, which are manufacturers of bike parts and mechanics, mostly the gear systems and the braking systems, they actually own Hammerhead. So this device is actually compatible with some of the on-bike systems. Some bikes have wireless brakes or wireless gear changing, and so this SRAM system is compatible with the device on the bike. It does come with a companion app as well on the phone. It used to come with an eSIM card. This latest version, they've removed the eSIM card and allow you to tweak your ride on the app. So I'm going to unbox it and then later on show you how it works. So here's the actual device. So brand new device here. I might just flip it this way, and I did bring a knife to this, but I'm going to give it a go. Just manually opening up. I quite like the packaging here, so I'm just going to pull open the box here. It looks like I can pull it out, so let's get it around and pull it out. There we go, and here's the device, and there's the actual device itself. So you've got in the box, you've got a device which is actually smaller than I expected. But actually, I quite like that. It's actually smaller than my iPhone, so it will probably stick out less on my handlebars, which I'm really impressed with. There's a screen protector here which shows you the menu, but the actual device itself is nice and clear. So that's the device. You can see it's got the mounting bracket here for the bike, and what looks like the power switch down here as well. Yeah, you can see the indication for the power down here. Yeah, it's nice. It weighs, I think it's about 113 grams, the device, but I'll have to check that when I play around with it. You've got an installation guide down here, which looks nice and simple for the bike. I presume there's going to be more mounting parts inside the box. And then let's lift this up. We've got, oh yes, here we go. So we've got the mounting system, which is the main body of the bike here. You can see here, this goes round the handlebars like that, and then the device itself will probably slip onto, it looks like it slips on the other way actually, but I can turn that round. And I think it also has, from what I hear, I can't see, there is an option for mounting a GoPro to the system as well. I can't, maybe it's in the accessories box. Oh, that's the charge cable, there you go. And there's the charge cable and lanyard. It looks like it's a USB-C, another USB-C. Yes, got quite a nice USB-C cable, that sort of Apple quality. And yes, you've got the lanyard so you can carry your device around off the bike as well. So you've got your mounting system, you've got the charge cable, the lanyard. I'm not entirely sure what this is. Is this the quarter turn? There we go. That allows you, I guess, to move your device in different orientations depending on the shape of your handlebars and where you place it on the bar. And it looks like in the box there's also probably the guarantee. I'll whack it to come out. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's more information and more. You can see the SRAM logo there. More specs and so on. So that's what's in the box. That's the main device. It's much smaller than I expected actually, which is lovely. and I will be following this up with more videos on how it works. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe as always, and keep an eye out for more videos on the channel. Thank you.